Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install charging reservations using ChargeLab, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install charging reservations using ChargeLab, begin by creating an account on the ChargeLab website. Visit the ChargeLab homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your personal and payment information. After verifying your email, log into your ChargeLab account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will see an overview of your charging stations. Select Add Charging Station to begin the installation process. Enter the details of your charging station, including location and type of charger. Connect your charging station to your account using the provided serial number. Choose Reservations from the side menu to access the reservation settings. Activate the reservation feature by toggling the switch to Enabled. Set your charging station's availability up. Define the reservation time slots as per your requirements. Decide whether to allow walk-up customers or if reservations will be required for all usage. Enter the maximum number of reservations that can be made simultaneously. Save your settings and return to the dashboard. Test the reservation feature by trying to make a reservation from a different account. Monitor the system for any technical issues or feedback from users. Adjust your settings based on user experience and operational needs. Regularly check your ChargeLab dashboard for updates and utilization reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.